Welcome to Inside Factory Walls, where we embark on an incredible journey. Today, we unveil the intricate process behind transforming raw bananas into delicious snacks. Our adventure begins as vast quantities of fresh, green bananas arrive, sourced directly from plantations, ready to enter the processing facility. Upon arrival, every banana undergoes initial quality inspection, ensuring only the freshest and finest fruits proceed to the next critical stage of production. The raw bananas are then carefully transferred into large soaking tanks, beginning their journey of thorough cleansing in preparation for further processing. High-pressure water jets meticulously clean each banana bunch, ensuring every trace of field soil and debris is completely removed, preparing them for the next step. After thorough washing, bananas proceed to sorting, where skilled workers conduct a final visual inspection, eliminating any remaining imperfections before processing. Defective or damaged parts are meticulously trimmed by hand, guaranteeing only pristine bananas advance, maintaining the highest standards for our delicious products. Bananas then enter a specialized steam chamber. Controlled heat softens their skins, making the peeling process significantly easier and more efficient. Post-steaming, banana skins soften visibly, a crucial step enabling efficient, high-volume peeling, ensuring product consistency and quality standards are met. Automated machinery swiftly peels the softened bananas, a marvel of engineering that significantly boosts efficiency while maintaining the fruit's integrity. Following mechanical peeling, human operators perform a final inspection, ensuring no peel fragments remain, upholding our commitment to pristine product quality. Peeled bananas enter a high-speed spiral slicer, precisely transforming them into uniform, thin slices, essential for consistent texture and optimal frying results. The perfectly uniform banana slices emerge, showcasing the precision of our machinery, each piece ready for the next critical stage of preservation. These delicate slices are then immersed in an anti-oxidation solution, a crucial step that preserves their natural color and extends their fresh appeal. Following oxidation prevention, slices undergo a thorough rinse in an insect repellent solution, guaranteeing the highest levels of food safety and purity. Prepared banana slices are now ready for the transformation phase, moving towards the frying and drying stations, where their texture will be perfected. The slices enter a continuous hot oil fryer, where precise temperature control ensures even cooking, developing that desirable golden crispness. Emerging from the hot oil, these golden slices achieve a perfect crisp, with excess oil meticulously drained, ready for the next stage. For a healthier option, some slices undergo hot air drying. Powerful air currents gently remove moisture, achieving an equally satisfying crunch. The dried slices exhibit a remarkable, consistent crispness and beautiful golden hue, proving the efficacy of our precise, controlled drying processes. Immediately after cooking, powerful industrial fans swiftly cool the chips, preventing further cooking and locking in that perfect, delicate crispness. Cooled chips then pass through advanced optical scanners, which meticulously detect and remove any imperfect pieces, ensuring consistent product excellence. These high-tech scanners precisely identify and automatically remove any chips that are overcooked or broken, upholding our rigorous quality standards. Human operators conduct a final, meticulous visual check, manually removing any chips that escape the scanners, guaranteeing only perfection reaches you. The perfectly crisp banana chips are then gently introduced into a large rotating drum, where they will receive their tantalizing flavor coating. A delicate oil mist is precisely sprayed, creating the perfect surface for the seasoning powders to adhere, enhancing flavor and texture. Finally, the carefully selected flavoring powders are evenly dispersed, lovingly coating every single chip, creating a burst of irresistible taste. The seasoned banana chips emerge, vibrant in color and rich in aroma, now perfectly prepared for their final journey into consumer packaging. Precision automated scales meticulously weigh each portion of seasoned chips, guaranteeing consistent package content and meeting strict consumer expectations. These perfectly weighed portions are then swiftly transferred into automated packaging machines, where they are sealed into the protective, attractive bags. Witness the mesmerizing efficiency as packaging machines swiftly create countless bags, each perfectly sealed, preserving freshness and flavor for consumers. finished packages gracefully move along the conveyor, heading towards the next automated stage, where they will be systematically prepared for distribution. Advanced robotic arms meticulously pick up each individual package, demonstrating incredible precision and gentle handling, minimizing any potential damage. These intelligent robots then neatly arrange the packages into empty carton boxes, following precise patterns to optimize space and stability. Watch as the robotic arm swiftly and accurately places each package into its designated carton, ensuring perfect alignment and maximum efficiency. Once filled, the cartons automatically proceed to the sealing station, where strong adhesive ensures they are securely closed and ready. Automated systems apply strong, consistent adhesive tape, securely sealing each carton, protecting the delicious contents during their journey to consumers. The sealed cartons receive their final labels, printed automatically with all necessary product information, ready for the next crucial phase. Robotic arms meticulously stack the sealed cartons onto pallets, forming stable, secure loads, optimizing space for efficient storage and transportation logistics. Each pallet grows steadily, a testament to robotic precision, forming perfectly balanced and secure stacks, ready for their journey to warehouses. Automated forklifts then carefully transport the completed pallets to the storage area, where they await final distribution to global markets. The immense warehouse stores countless pallets, a testament to the scale of production, ensuring a steady supply of delicious banana chips. Sophisticated warehouse management systems precisely track every pallet, ensuring efficient inventory control and seamless logistical coordination for global delivery. Central control screens display real-time data, providing a comprehensive overview of production, inventory, and distribution, ensuring optimal factory performance. Skilled technicians diligently oversee all automated processes from the control room, ensuring every machine operates flawlessly, maintaining peak efficiency. Our factory operates around the clock, a testament to continuous innovation and dedication, ensuring fresh products are always available. As one batch concludes, fresh bananas continuously enter the production line, ensuring an uninterrupted flow of delicious, high-quality snacks.
The flavor is excellent.
Witness the intricate dance of synchronized machinery, each component working in harmony, a symphony of industrial efficiency and innovation. Regular, thorough cleaning protocols are strictly followed, maintaining an impeccable hygienic environment throughout the entire processing facility.
An advanced
Random
air filtration
samples are
system maintains a consistently fresh and clean factory environment,
guaranteeing
crucial for
every
food
batch
safety
meets
and
our
product
stringent
integrity.
quality benchmark.
Coming up slowly.
In
Keep
the
it steady.
lab, technicians
An
meticulously
advanced air
assess
filtration
crispness,
system maintains
moisture,
a consistently
and flavor,
fresh and
ensuring
clean
each
factory
chip delivers the
environment,
perfect
crucial for
sensory
food
experience
safety
to
and product
consumers.
integrity.
Coming up
Packaging
slowly.
undergoes
Keep it
rigorous
steady.
durability and moisture resistance tests,
Copy that. Secure the
guaranteeing
load.
our delicious snacks remain fresh and protected until reaching your hands.
The current process
Precision
shows a steady
instruments
90%
continuously
yield.
calibrate
What
our
if we
weighing and
implemented the
packaging
new sequence
machines,
right here?
ensuring
We could
every
eliminate this
product
entire
contains
step.
the exact amount, maintaining consumer trust. Advanced air filtration systems work tirelessly, ensuring a pristine and hygienic production environment, vital for maintaining the highest food safety standards. Our dedicated team wears full protective gear, strictly adhering to all safety protocols, ensuring a secure and compliant working environment for everyone. Managers and technicians regularly collaborate, conducting brief meetings to continuously optimize production processes, driving innovation and efficiency across the board. An animated overview reveals the entire production chain, from raw material to finished product, showcasing the seamless integration of every stage. Robots perform routine maintenance on other machines, a testament to automation's reach, ensuring uninterrupted production and optimal operational longevity. Our commitment to sustainability is evident through renewable energy systems, powering our operations responsibly and minimizing our environmental footprint. Wastewater from the cleaning process is meticulously treated by advanced filtration systems, reflecting our unwavering commitment to environmental stewardship. Banana waste is thoughtfully collected and
They're
repurposed
perfectly
into
sweet.
organic fertilizer, embodying our dedication to a circular
We love
economy
these
and
banana
zero
chips.
waste initiatives. Finally, trucks filled with our delicious banana chips depart the factory, ready to deliver these delightful snacks to consumers
Listen to that
globally.
crunch.
Our distinctive
They're perfectly
product logo,
sweet.
a symbol of quality and innovation, proudly adorns
love
each
these
package,
banana chips.
inviting consumers
Witness
to
the
savor the
incredible
taste.
transformation
Imagine
from
families
fresh green
everywhere
harvest
enjoying these
to
crispy,
perfectly ripe fruit
flavorful banana
delivered
chips,
straight to
a
you.
testament to the dedication and precision witnessed throughout their creation. This entire journey, from raw banana to delightful snack, showcases incredible dedication, advanced technology, and unwavering commitment to quality. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey inside our factory walls. Don't forget